Works good.
Anyways, the guy.
That's a hard part right there.
Works pretty good, huh?
That's alright. That's the second time you tried to kill me.
My bad.
No, you're good. Hell yeah, that was sick.
Hell yeah.
Solid front. I gotta see it.
Did 3x. This thing is chucking, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no! I just totaled his shit. I'm probably total too. No.
Y'all were going crazy though.
He's getting overs anyway. I'm so sorry. A little bit.
Nah, you're chilling, bro. This shit's. Yeah. Yeah.
Grab a jack handle.
I'm sorry.
You're good. Grab a jack handle. Is it rubbing my tire back?
I don't know. Is it? Did you feel it?
I mean, I felt you hit me.
Did you feel rubbing?
I don't know.
I mean, I can't get my finger at all in it. You know, you're a big stance guy, so.
Oh shit. Yeah, you did hit me.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're straight.
You got
I'll buy you overs.
you got the spark plug too?
Jesus Christ.
This guy needs overs.
Oh, he's fine. Ever since that angle grinder popped out. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. It feels great. I felt the binding, but it's still like really good. I love these cars. I'll go get his ass. I'm gonna let you do a lap, then I'll hop in. What's he doing?
I think he wants to run it back. I can't see shit.
Oh.
Those lights.
She still got the box. Dude, did you see the... The bubble wrap?
Yes, dude, that was sick.
The bubble wrap? Oh my god.
My eyes, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god. Can't see.
That was insane.
That was fire, dude. It's fire as fuck.
The bubble wrap was nuts.
That motherfucker is invincible, I swear to God.
Holy shit.
Nissan Altima.
Oh.
Good thing I know how to do fiber.
Drift stitch.
Oh, where should we put this?
Excuse me?
They're not in the grappler.
Angle kit looks good.
Nice and easy. They see me rolling. Hey, tell me.
That's the spirit.
Tyler. Where do white women at?
Oh god.
Are we good? Oh no.
Oh no. Fucking stop on the brake.
No. But the fitment's still mid. Look at this shit.
Oh god.
Look at he almost
Oh
to
god.
the rim. How he got such good fitment on the drift car?
You got my impact? You got my impact?
What?
You got my impact?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Leave the area now.
Holy crap. Alright boys, well clearly you can see we just got kicked out the spot, and we saw a Tahoe pull up beforehand that was white, and it pulled up like far away and turned its lights off and then just sat there, and we were very suspicious of that. And then he left, and not long after that, that cop showed up in a Tahoe, but it was marked. So clearly we should have took that as a sign to leave, but you know, we had to send it for the last time. And my speedo stopped working. That's cool. Just like my other E36. Oh well. But we're out of there. We're safe so far. Making our way out of the